Hey there, this is Edwin Brain. Today is June 2nd, 2012. In this video, I'm going to show you, or explain and show you, what exactly modules are. Modules are very important because that's essentially where you enter content on a web page. So to start off, you can see here I'm already located on the 5th grade homepage. Right now there's only one module. A module is essentially a box, and within that box you can put data. There's typically a title that's in bold, and then below that you can enter content, paragraphs. You can format the way you like, you can add images, etc. It's good to use that, and it's nice that it's in boxes because you can um, separate various information on a single page. Makes it a little more cleaner. So in this example, I'm going to go ahead and edit this module. And to change the title, I'm going to go to Settings for the module. And then you go to the Module Settings tab. And here in Module Title, I'm going to call this Welcome Message. Welcome. Welcome Message. Click Update. Hope I spelled that right. Okay, so now you can see the module has a bold entry called Welcome Message. Now you want to edit the content in that module, so you click on this Manage icon here and click Edit Content. And now you come to the Edit Content screen. Again, this is like a Microsoft Word. Has similar features here. Go ahead and type in "Welcome to my web page," and then go ahead and edit it. You can underline it, bold it, italicize it. Change the text color, or yeah, the text color. Say the red. Change the size. So sizes, these are sizes for, so web pages have web sizes, essentially. It's different than Word where there's multiple different levels of sizes. So let's go ahead and click 6 here. And then text, the text font. The way it works for websites is there's typically a standard set of fonts. And the reason why there's a standard set of fonts is because there's two dependencies. One is the browser, so the internet browser that's being used. It needs to support that font. But also, specifically, your computer needs to have that font installed. So these particular fonts are standard ones that are actually installed on all computers. I believe even Macs. So essentially, it ensures that when someone views your image, your web page, it'll display in one of these fonts because it's the standard font. If you had, for example, a funky, weird, unique font on here, and then you viewed it on someone else's computer, and they didn't have the font installed, then they would not be able to see your website properly. So, unfortunately, there is a way to add additional fonts, but it takes a lot of manual effort to do. So I think we should just stick with these particular fonts here. So just so you know, the website is basically built, the font being used in the website is Tahoma. So I'd suggest using that just to make it a consistent look. Once you have your content entered in here, you can save it. If you do know more coding, it's called HTML. That's what the name of the code that that's used for creating web pages. If you have any certain scripts or certain type of HTML strings that you want to add, you can click that tab and then go in here and type it in here or paste it in. And then also below here you see a preview tab, so you can preview this is what it would look like if on the main page once you save it. So go ahead and hit save. Alright, so now you see my welcome message. So that's the first module. If you wanted to add another module, it's quite easy. On your page, go up to modules, and all you have to do is bring your mouse down and click add module, because it already defaults to the HTML module, so you don't have to click anything in there. Just click add module, and what it'll do is it'll add a module, a new one, there below your other module. So if this one's called welcome message, and this second module, let's call it homework. So go ahead and go to settings on it, and then you want to change the title, because right now it says text HTML, put homework. You can update this if you want to ever change it at any time. Okay, now this is your homework module, and go ahead and click it again, and then now click edit content, and then edit content. So say this is a homework, so let's say I'm going to have two columns. Say this is a homework for the week, so you can have a table here, say Monday, read in math page 1. Oops. Oh, I did that wrong. Let's copy this, go to the other. Oh, what happened there? Let's hit redo. Does that do anything? Now let's do this again. So go here on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So you go in here, you type in Monday. Hit arrow to the right. There you go. Read page 1 and take test on page 2. Tuesday. You get the idea. Okay, so go ahead and format the way you like. Oops. You can bold it if you like. There you go. And then go ahead and hit save. Alright, now you have basically a table in there with your whatever stuff you want for the homework. And so you can add as many modules as you like to your page. It's kind of good to leave it limited to the length of the page, because if you put too many, it'll work, but it'll push, see the left and right column, it only goes down so far. It'll actually push this all the way down, so your page can be like 5 feet long, and it'll look a little awkward. So maybe keep it down to maybe 3 or 4 modules per page. That would be good. Alright, I hope you found this interesting and helpful. If you have any questions, again, feel free to send me email, edwinbraejr@gmail.com, or ebray@stbernardcatholicschool.com. And if you want a one-on-one session, feel free to let me know, and I can stop by after school and show you how it's done. Alright, thank you. Bye.